G'day, it's Terry from the Hut. This month, Maker's Kit is the business card holder. In the moleskin bag, you'll get your 3 pieces of leather that make up the little folder. They're all pre-punched. In the little envelope is the wax thread and the 2 needles to do your saddle stitching. Okay, let's start to put this together. With the 3 pieces of leather, make sure your 2 bigger rectangulars go together with the rough side inside each of them. With the smaller piece with the V in it and the Bushman's Craft logo on it, sits on the outside like so. It's only inside you have that rough side there, right? So I'll line these up. I put it into this stitching clamp. 3 holes back a start, so 1, 2, 3. We go into there and pick up 3 pieces of leather. And we pull that through. Now I'm going to stitch back this way. So the left hand's going in first, right? In front of that, I'm going to put the right hand, pull it through, left hand. That's how we're starting. We've got to feed back through these holes, so that's a little bit tougher to do, but just persist with it, push it through hard to get it through. Right, we've gone down one side here. That's the short side. Now just move the leather gently and keep it all nice and even in the clamp itself. Now remember, as I come to the end here we go right to the last hole. All right, make sure it's all nice and neat and firm. Now we'll back stitch. Yeah, that finishes a nice neat job there. There. Remember, with your sharp knife, remember the little tip is to put your blade against it and rub and move the thread. See that? Just move that and move the thread and it cuts off nice. There we go, there's the finished item with the business card in it. Lovely little a gift item or something to keep personally. For now, it's hooroo from the Hut.